Scott, yeah. Alright, on Capcut, click on new project and import a blue background image. You get my point, just like this. So I decided to use TikTok aspect ratio. So now what you do, go to text, click on add text. So at this point, you need to tap on this dot, just this dot here. You get my point. So when you click on the dot, you can change the font. So tap on font. I want to select this Delagotic. You get my point. So when you select it, make sure you have your network is on. You get my point. Your network must be on. So at this point, you can now expand it. Just make it big to your own preferred size. You get my point? So guys, this is how to, what you are doing right now is about creating a motion design. No, most people don't know how to create a motion design, and an intro for that matter. You can use it for your video intro. So I had to just drag it up a bit, add keyframe at the beginning, move the video a bit, then bring it down to where you want it to start work. So when you are done with this one, let's play and see what we got. Look at it here. You get my point? So that's just it. That's not too bad. So guys, at this point I will have to tap on the first layer, which is the blue background image, and extend it, make it long a little. You get my point, because of how I want this video to be. Now tap on the second layer and duplicate it. Alright, so now that you've duplicated the second layer, drag it away from the first layer. Now remove the keyframes. So when that is done, what you need to do right here is to come back towards where this first layer is. Adjust it first. You can just adjust it the way it is. Understand? We are not done. Understand? We are trying to set this thing so that we will follow it step by step. So now at this point, we have the third layer right here. So you need to align it towards the end of the first layer. When you are done, you duplicate it again. Understand? You duplicate again, depending on the size of or the number of balls you want to have. You get my point? So if you want to have like 5, you can make it 5. If you want to have like 4, you can make it 4. So I will tap on the third layer. Look at the third layer right here. Now add keyframe at the beginning of the third layer. When you are done adding the keyframe, what you need to do next is for you to move the video a bit. Just move it a bit. Alright, so now I'll drag the ball towards my left. You get my point? Now this is the first ball on my left. Then you tap on the foot layer. Understand? So you come to the beginning of the foot layer, add keyframe. Now move the video a bit. Now you need to tap on the third layer again to see where the second keyframe is. So when you get the second keyframe, you also move the ball towards the right side. You get my point? So you have one ball on the left, one ball on the right side. So make sure everything is positioned accordingly. So this is how you are going to do till you get to the last one. Understand? Now make sure you position it, make sure they align. No one is longer or bigger than the other. So when the ball lands, this one is going to break into 3. As it is now, it is at 3. Just 3. So you are going to tap on the other layer, the other layer below. Understand? So still go back to the beginning. Add keyframe. Tap on it. Add keyframe. When you add keyframe, you move it a bit. You get my point? Move it a bit. Now you need to check the layer above to see where the second keyframe is. So from there, you come back to this other layer. So from here, you can just tap on it, drag it. When you tap on the ball and drag it to another direction where you want it to be, keyframe will be added automatically. I don't know if you get my point. Or am I too fast? Guys, don't tell me you've not liked this video. Don't tell me you've not liked this video. Guys, comment. Understand? Many people don't know they can create motion design using Capcut. So I'm here to let you know that you can create it using Capcut. You get my point? You can create any design you want to create using Capcut. It will only take you a little time. Understand? Because Capcut is not meant for that stuff. You get my point? originally Capcut is not really meant for that stuff, because if at all they do, Capcut would have added shapes here. But since they have not added shapes, you can still maneuver it, you can still do it. That is why I am here. So look at what you've just done. Look at what we've created. Is it not amazing? Don't you like what you see? Eh? Give me thumbs up now. Arrange everything. Make sure everything goes well. You get my point? So now when you are done with all of these, we will enter the next step. Just hurry up to stickers. You get my point? When you go to stickers, you can add your own preferred stickers, but I decided to add this one right here. So now look at these stickers here. This particular sticker here, I just added it. So what you need to do here is for you to tap on the sticker layer. You get my point? When you get there, you can now add keyframe at the beginning of the sticker. You move the sticker up. Understand? You move the video a bit, then you keep on moving with keyframes, like the way you did the first one. So when you are done with everything, you can now export the video to your gallery. But guys, please take note, we are not done. We will still have to bring this video back so that we can add other things. You get my point? So let's just export this video. Alright, so you will click on done. Now you click on new project and import this same video you just exported. So look at it here. Let's play the video to see what we got. Wow, this is nice. So you have to come back to the beginning of the video. Here you tap on text and click on add text. So as for me, I had to use my name, Mr. Cray. I'll write Mr. Cray right here. Only Mr. Cray. Then I'll go to, just expand it a little. Go to font. Now let me go and look for my favorite font. What's the name? Abi. Let me just check before I will cut my tongue. So let's scroll down to see that font. My favorite font. So look at it here. Ethnocentric. Yes, ethnocentric. So that's my font, my favorite font. So I just selected this font. You can choose another one. You get my point. So after selecting this font, it depends on how you want to position it. But I have to go to animation to add animation. So you can even decide to use another animation. Understand? It must not be this one I'm using. I'm using food. Look at it here. This one is food. So I choose to use food. So this is how it's going to be. You get my point? So now tap on the name as a second layer and drag it to align at the end of the video. You get my point? Alright, so the next thing for you to do is to go to text. You go to add text right here. You get my point when you click on it. So you add the first letter of, maybe you want to use your name also. You can start with the first letter. So I will start with, I want to write edit. Understand? So I will just write E. Then I will click on OK. Now come back again. Create another text. Write D. Understand? Click on OK. Still come back again. Create another text. Write I. So that's how you are going to do. You get my point? Now each of them has their own layer. The E has its own layer, the D has its own layer, I its own layer, T its own layer, and the S has its own layer. So now you will need to shift these layers away so that you'll be able to position the first one on the first ball, the first circle here, understand, on the right. So you need to drag them away so that you'll be able to see the first one. So now we have the first one right here. What you need to do is to adjust it from the time the sticker is jumping towards the ball. You understand? And that's where you need to adjust the E. You bring it to that point, then you drag it down here. You see it's still white. Both of them are white colors, so there will be no difference. So you double tap on it. When you double tap on it, now you go to style. When you go to style, you click on black. Look at this black. It's on text. Then you click on black and the text will turn to black. Then you are going to move it to this circle. So that is how you are going to do on every layer. You get my point? Make sure all of them are like this. So when the sticker jumps on each of the ball, you will have their letters appearing right there. You get my point? And then everything is going to go well. So as it is now, when you are done with all of this, guys, you are good to go. So you can now export your video to your gallery. You get my point? So see you in our next video. Ha 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 ha.